What is good, YouTube? It is your girl Brinks, and we are in phase 1 of cleaning and decorating the room. There is one DIY for the bedroom, pretty much. For my mirror right here, I am going to be doing like a ornament type border around it. So you guys will be seeing how I do that. The way that I'm going to be doing it is I'm going to be taking this ribbon and I'm going to be making a border around it, and then I'm going to be using hooks and ornaments and just hooking them into the little holes that are in the ribbon and just going from there. So it should be really simple, really easy. All right, guys, so now that I got my mirror set up, this is what it's looking like. Now the top is just garland. Like, I kind of ran out of like the ribbony stuff, so I kind of used like a silver and white garland that I found in the third room, and it kind of blended in perfectly, so that's what I used. And then you kind of use ornaments of your choice. I have all my rose golds, my plain golds, some whites in here, and some silver. And we are just going to put those on some hooks and just start putting them all on to our border. So just check it out, y'all.
Where would you like it?
Where would we like it?
Over by the phone. It'll be on your bill. Thank you.
What are you looking at? What is he looking at?
Yes. Here we go. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Tip. I missed that one.
Don't worry about it.
You mind if I take my boots off?
Hold on.
So, do you have a wife?
All right, guys, so this is what it turned out to look like. I am loving it. Oh my gosh, y'all, like, I'm so tired of coughing, but this is so pretty. Like, it's so simple, but it's so Christmassy and delicate and pretty, and it's just everything, y'all. Like, it's like perfect to me. It's like perfect. Like, it just adds that extra to, like, just like, it just adds that extra it's to my mirror. And like, I could be so much more extra with it, but due to time constraint, like, this is what I was able to do. And like, I freaking love it. Like, I freaking love it. And I feel like next year, we are starting in freaking November, y'all. We are starting in November 1st. We're starting to decorate November 1st, okay? That way, when actual Thanksgiving is over with, we got videos rolling out back to back to back to back without non-stopping, because your girl getting old. And with the way the work been going, and the way that my immune system is set up, y'all, I can't hang. I can't hang. So we gotta make it do what it do. But yeah, y'all, this is what it's looking like. I believe I'm going to try to go ahead and knock the hallway out. I don't think I'm going to have enough time to order my penguins and do what I wanted to do for the hallway. So it's probably going to be like really, really simple and just a little Christmas flair to it. I don't think I'm gonna do much to it as much as I wanted to. Aww. I know, y'all, it sucks, but I feel I'm just gonna add some stuff to it just to make it Christmassy and call it a day. because I don't think I'm gonna have enough time, y'all. Like, Christmas is like literally around the corner. I did need some penguins, and then I also needed like some more icicles to do my whole little winter wonderland penguins skiing on the ceiling type deal idea. Now, I don't know, I'll price it and see if Amazon can get some penguins here by like Thursday, but I know I don't get paid until tomorrow. If I can't get any penguins by Thursday, then you guys, we're just going to have to roll with the punches and do what we got to do. Because my plan is to have the hallway done no later than Thursday. So if we can't get penguins by Thursday, then we're just going to have to do what we can with what we have like already in the house Thursday. Now, we still may be able to do like a wintry theme. It just may not be the bomb skiing penguin one that I was thinking about doing, which sucks. It may be a little kind of a downgrade one, but it is what it is, y'all. It is what it is. It'll be a downgrade. Like, we could probably reinvent it next year. But my thing is, I don't think I'm going to be here next year. I'm really planning on being out of this house next year. I really wasn't planning on being in this house coming. I really wasn't planning on being in this house Christmas. Oh, I will be in this house Christmas next year. But the Christmas after this year, like, I don't know. I don't know, y'all. It's still up in the air. I think I will be here one more Christmas, but the Christmas after that, I don't know. I don't know, y'all. My plan was to be out after this year, but I don't know. Like, I'm getting too old to be doing all this moving, y'all. Like, I need to just... mommy. I need to just find a house, y'all. Just go ahead and buy my house, y'all, and settle down.
And it just stay because your girl getting up there. Like, when I was young, y'all, mobile, I could unpack and rearrange stuff in a whole day, y'all. Now, I ain't got it like that no more. No, your girl tired. It take me a whole month to unpack and rearrange now. A whole month, y'all. My body be done. Y'all. I ain't got it. I can't do it.
So I do not be feeling like packing up all of this stuff, hiring movers, get into the new place, unpacking, cleaning, doing all this. I don't, y'all. I don't have time. And then you talking about having to work too, and then doing more unpacking, and then combining them all together because you don't have that much PTO. Bruh. Yeah, I can't, y'all. I can't. It's too much. It's too much, y'all. It's too much. But anyways, y'all, stay tuned. Stay tuned. I think I am going to be waiting on the bedroom. The bedroom final reveal may come either Friday or Saturday. The reason why I'm holding it off is because my mom and sis are spending the night on Sunday, and I'm trying to hold off so that I can wash like the bedroom sheets and stuff. So just so they're nice and fresh for when they come stay over. Just cause I like, cause it's, you know, fresh company, fresh sheets and everything. And I've been sleeping on them like all week. It's just common courtesy, y'all. You know, like, you get company, you want your sheets to be fresh for company. So it's just common courtesy, y'all. So I'm just trying to hold off. And then I don't want to put like the new duvet stuff on there. So when I make up the bed, like, I want the whole duvet and Christmas set to be on it. And set for when they get here. So everything else will be pretty much done except for the bed. And then I don't want to like display the video while the bed's not done. So, because it don't make sense. It don't make sense. But so it will be probably out like Friday or Saturday evening. Because TK comes back Friday, so I can at least have the bedroom done by Friday afternoon, evening, and then they get here and everything will be done. But just stay tuned, you guys. So I will be seeing you later. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, I will see y'all. Why are you so cute?